what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a case for the Moto G Stylus from a company called pULEN or pULEN. So basically there is a gel style case that you can get for the Moto G Stylus, which is available right now, and I will be leaving a link for this case down below. I recently just got this case delivered to my front doorstep for the Moto G Stylus, and we're going to take a look at it in a little bit more detail. So let's just go over the pULEN case for the Moto G Stylus in a little bit more detail. But if this is a video that would interest you, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the bell icon so you can get notified for more videos just like this. Later, crew. Peace. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we do have the case right in front of us, and it says slim, high quality protective case with fashion design. The first point that they mention is that it's exquisite technique perfects every let's just skip that part. And then it says ultra thin model offers greatest sense of touch. You also do get careful selection, perfect fit, comfortable feel, and all around protection. So you can see it's designed in Europe, but it's also a company material that's Germany/Korea. So let's just go ahead without any further ado, take a look at this protective case with the punch out cutout for the Moto G Stylus. So this is your standard TPU case. You do get those grips, which I did have for my LG Stylo 5 case, which was very similar to this one right here. You get those bumpers at the top right here at on the corners, and you do get the cutouts for the stylus, the speaker, and also you're gonna get a cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack. So what you want to do is first clean off your LG Moto Stylus, so you can remove any dust or extra particles on the back of the phone. Then just insert it directly inside the gel casing, and you can see it actually fits in there really nice. So overall you're getting a nice lip protection on the front, as well as some corner protection in addition to that. But mainly you're also getting protection for the 48 megapixel with the 16 megapixel plus the depth sensor as well. So honestly, this case is going to provide a ton of protection, and also some lip table protection as well. You also will be able to put your headphone jack right inside of the back of it with no extra effort or anything like that. So this does seem to be a nice suitable case for the for the Moto G Stylus. But if this is something that interests you in any way possible, maybe you just got your Moto G Stylus and you want to protect the back of it, then I definitely would hit the link down below. But if you found this helpful in any way possible to you, then definitely hit the bell icon and the like button as well, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.